What's green, yellow, and brown? Couldn't figure it out? Me either. But anyways, do you have that one meal you enjoy eating all the time? Well, mine happens to be avocado egg toast, and today I'm going to show you how to make it. Today, I will be talking about how to make this high in nutrients breakfast. Specifically, I will tell you first the benefits of eating avocado egg toast, going over the benefits of avocados, and also going over the benefits of eggs. Then I will tell you the ingredients and the cookware you need, and I'll finally tell you how to make this extravagant breakfast. Now that we've covered what I will be talking about, let's talk about the classified information that you should know about. The main reason why I love eating this for breakfast every single morning is not because of how yummy it is, but I love the benefits it provides for my body. You may not know how good avocados are for your body, but they are a great source of vitamins, such as vitamins C, E, K, and B6, as well as riboflavin, niacin, folate, pantothenic acid, magnesium, and potassium, as stated by Mrs. Fonseca in her article, Avocado Characteristic Health Benefits and Uses. Along with yummy vitamins, consumption of an avocado fruit has been linked to improved blood lipid profiles with lower LDL cholesterol and triglycerides and an increased HDL cholesterol. Stated by Mrs. Fonseca in her article, Avocado Characteristics, Health Benefits, and Uses. I'm pretty sure people will love to hear this. Did you know that eating avocados can actually help you lose weight? PubMed Central states that those who eat avocados tend to eat less calories, meaning a healthier and a lighter diet, stated by Mrs. Fonseca in her article, Avocado Characteristic Health Benefits and Uses. Now that we have covered the benefits of avocados, let's move on to the benefits of eggs. One simple egg consists of many benefits you may or may have not known of. Tufts University Health and Nutrition Letter elaborates that the protein in eggs provides all the essential amino acids our bodies need in the proportions we need them. Eggs and avocados have the same benefits, kinda. So Tufts states that eggs are also a good source of many essential nutrients, including biotin, selenium, vitamin B12, iodine, riboflavin, pantothenic acid, phosphorus, potassium, and vitamins A and D. Tufts claim if you like to eat eggs, the American Heart Association suggests up to 1 egg per day as part of a healthy diet, which is perfect because all you need is 1 egg for this yummy meal. Now that we have covered the benefits of the eggs and the avocados, we will discuss what you will need for this delightful meal. You will need ripe avocados. My dad's friend would always give us avocados that he grows in his backyard, but when he doesn't have any, I'll just go to Costco and get some. They're pretty cheap and good quality. Then you need a bowl to smash up the avocado, which is what I do, but you don't have to. I have a 3-in-1 avocado slicer, but you could just use a fork and a knife. You're going to choose your eggs. I like to use grade A cage-free organic eggs, and depending on the way you like to cook them, you can choose different ways. So Yamna Jawad states in her article, Avocado Toast with Eggs, from frying them, scrambling them, and poached eggs. My personal favorite would be the fried eggs. Because of the texture on the egg, I like to leave my yolk on the egg semi-runny. Then you need to choose your spices. I like salt and black pepper. Then you need a medium-sized saucepan. And then you need to choose oil or butter. I like to use Pam. You're going to need bread of your choice to create your toast. I use whole wheat bread, which is healthier than most breads. And lastly, you need a toaster if you like to toast your bread. Now that we know the benefits and the ingredients and materials we will need, let's discuss how to finally make it. I first put my pan on medium flame and spray it with Pam. Then I crack my egg. Well, I had my brother crack it for me because I had trouble. While we wait for it to fry, you will choose your firm but not too firm avocado. And you'll cut it in half and scoop out the avocado around the seed. And I like to mash it up, but you don't have to mash it up. You can just cut it. So after that, I like to put my bread in the toaster. And so after that, I take it out. I grab the mashed up avocado paste and I just spread it all over. And now whenever like your egg is like to your desire, you can just take it out and then put it on your toast and sprinkle it with the spices you like. So I sprinkled it with black pepper and salt. And now we're all done. Enjoy. Now let's fold this all up like an omelet and recap what we talked about. We talked about how this meal provides many healthy and nutritious vitamins and proteins for your body to keep you fit and awake. We also discussed the ingredients and items you needed for this and how to make this snack. This meal I enjoy so much. I hope others are able to enjoy it as much as I have. You know what? Now I know what is green, yellow, and brown. This yummy avocado egg toast. Yum.